Hey guys, Nick here from Obsessed Garage. Right here we have our Comet pressure washer. We sell a ton of these by itself and in solutions. So we're making a video unboxing it to show you everything that comes in the box, what you can expect to arrive, and hopefully you can refer back to this if you need to know what came with it, or maybe before you buy it you just want to know what you're going to get. So let's pop it open. It's got some staples on the top. This little skin wedge tool is pretty good for this. So we have all of our accessories here. You see you get 2 wands, your gun, and then I believe this is a little wall mounting thing that you can put all of your different accessories on, things like that. You also get your manuals and things in this bag. How we can manhandle all this out. So this is your bag of all of your miscellaneous accessories. Really, you're going to want to make sure that you do not lose anything in here. If something is missing out of here, you'll want to let us know, because the Comet does have some unique threads and unique things to it. So this piece especially, you're going to want to make sure you have. But we'll go through this in a minute and talk about what's actually included. They use this foam stuff, so you kind of have to wrestle it out. Right. We have another brush thing that spins. I'm not sure you'd really want to use that, but they do include it. You have their soap injection foam cannon thing, and there you go. Here's your unit. It's actually a lot smaller than you probably think it would be. It does look slightly larger in photographs. So depending on whether or not you'll be wall mounting this, you can take this off, and there's many other things you can do. We made it really simple in the solutions we sell, so it'll come with all the parts and pieces you need. But this is the unit. It has its power cord in the back, its mounting brackets, all that stuff. So if you look at the parts container, we'll just go ahead and open everything. We have all of our parts right here. We have our elbow. This is for one of the inlets or the outlets. I can't exactly remember, but that is an important piece to keep. This is the most important piece to keep. So the inlet threads in the Comet are not GHT, they're not standards. So you do need to hold on to this to adapt it to regular GHT. So this side will screw onto the unit and your hose will screw into this side. They're nice enough to include a couple of mounting hardware. So these are some bolts and some anchors, a little Allen key, pin tools, replacement O-rings and filters for that GHT fitting. And then this is your handle. So you would pop that in there, see it pivots, and then this will connect into the hose reel. So there you have it. That's the full Comet unboxing with everything that comes in the box. It's a pretty simple kit. There's not all that much that comes with it, but there are a few unique pieces that you need to make sure you have and that you hold on to. Also, I know you're probably not going to use their included attachments, but I'd recommend holding on to them at least for a little while in case you have any issues, you need to return it, anything like that. You can get this unit by itself or in packages on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.